Hey guys, this is Joseph with Museway USA. Here today we're going to discuss the M6 amplifier, our new PK-RCA6 RCA pigtail harness. This will work with the M4 Plus or with the M6 amplifiers. So one of the things we want to cover today on this amplifier is if you're going to run low input RCA, there's something you need to do before you can get started. First, you pull the back plate off. What we're going to do is we're going to pull 3 sets of jumpers from the amplifier, and that will convert the input from high level signal to low level. Now you can see right here, these 3 little jumpers, those need to be pulled out, and that will give you your low level input. And there you have it. Now if those are pulled out, you can put your plate back on. Now you're ready for low-level RCA. Now you have your low levels. Okay, that's it.